say this. We made it to 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. Look what's about to happen.
You're wasting time, MT.
What did it say?
What?
Yes, yes, yes.
Mommy.
Headed to Best Buy.
Mommy.
And we are at kid potty training. Yeah, we can do it. Ooh, it's raining. So I can't bring this baby out in the rain.
Mommy, we don't have our own car seat.
It's in the house. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Miss Janice. Thanks for coming back to my channel. And we made it to 100 subbies. We made it to 100 subbies. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification to stay updated when I drop new products. Now, products, projects, videos. Make sure you stay updated. Now, I know it's been a minute. Don't judge me. New footage is coming. Life has been happening. So, went to Best Buy and got a couple new products. As you can tell, I'm yelling at the camera, okay? Because it's on the other side of the room. But you see this? No makeup, okay? No slay or nothing like that. Edges is, whew, don't judge me, don't come for me. But I got new footage coming for you guys. Thank you for being so patient, rad or dad. That's what I'm talking about, 200 people. Love you guys. But yeah, if you want to stay tuned and see exactly what I ran and got from Best Buy, keep on watching. So the first thing I got is this. Bam. So this is the Sunpak 19-inch bicolor LED ring light. Let's open her up, and then I'm going to show you guys what I've been using. I actually did like a DIY ring light that I learned off of here. If I can find that video, I'll be sure to drop that down below, but it was super easy to make. I just got a wreath and like the LED strip lights, so that made it super easy to kind of make. And you get some of the, you can either get aluminum foil or you can get like the foil tape, the electrical tape. I was gonna order one of the newer lights off of Amazon, but I wanted something today and they only had 2 in stock. So wait 2 days to get it today, pay the same price, because I was gonna get the one that basically had everything that this one had. And another reason why I'm getting this light is because it folds down. So when I'm doing like nail tutorials or anything that has to be like overhead, I got this and I don't have to worry about the light. This is the accessories pack. So we have the AC adapter, the little ball head where you can put your let me see, your camera on and kind of swivel it around, I guess. So have that on there. We got our cord, power cord, and we have our smartphone holder. So I'll be using my camera. I'll probably be using the smartphone holder. Maybe if I want a different angle and I can use this. So this is with the LED, DIY LED lighting that I have now. So I'm gonna turn it around with my camera, and so you guys can see what I have, and then I'm going to switch everything over to that so then we can play with the light functions. Here we are re-centered. It was easy putting it together actually, so I'm going to turn it on. I haven't turned it on yet, so let's see how this works. So there are knobs back here. Ooh, dang, that's low, and that's nicely lit. So let's see. Ooh-wee! Lord, let's see how I look on here. Ooh, that is bright. See if I was to zoom in. That is bright, y'all. Let me turn that down. I'm probably gonna be about right here with it. That's nice. It's nicely lit. And on this side there's a temperature, so that turns it more cool. This is completely orange. I think this is what it originally just was on, and then this is probably about halfway. This is probably more like a natural lighting, but that isn't the only thing that I got from Best Buy. The other thing that I picked up is this baby, the 50mm STM lens. So they also call this the Nifty 50, so it kind of can like get in there. It can make all of this blurry and pretty. That's what she looks like. So on top of new lighting, guys, she has a new lens and she's gonna be putting out bangers, okay? We putting bangers out for you guys, but I do want to show you guys what this lens looks like really quick. Give me 1 second to switch it out. So this is the new lens. Doesn't zoom in like the 18 by 55 does. So you have to manually back up or come close. Thank you guys. We hit 100 subscribers. Make sure you bang that bell, that subscribe button, and make sure you come back. I might be dropping another video either today or later on, but about 3 of them are going to be coming out here soon. And like I said, I'm going to be making sure that I have other ideas for you guys. If you have an idea for me, or if you want to see something specific on the channel, make sure you drop it below. Like I said again, it's your girl Niecy Baby and or Miss Janice, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, before I forget, everything that's going to be mentioned in the video will be linked below. So if you guys are interested in purchasing it, just make sure you click the links below and it can be at your front door.